It's feeding time. As you can see, the birds are eating. That's a feeder for the layers. And that's a feeder for the cocks. It's a parent stock farm, so it has both cocks and the layers. So these are the feeders. Those with a yellow color, those are the feeders for the cocks. They are somehow raised than the feeders for the layers. These are small nipples, the small drinkers. As you can see, they're all over the room. And even the feeders for the cocks are all over the room. And even the feeders for the layers